In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Translate during a video call on platforms like Zoom, Skype, or Google Meet. Using Google Translate alongside a video call is really helpful when you're speaking with someone who uses a different language. The idea is simple. You keep your video call open on one side of your screen and use Google Translate on the other side to translate what you type or say in real time. First, open your browser and go to Google Translate. You can also use the Google Translate app on your phone if that's more convenient. But for this walkthrough, we'll focus on using it on a computer, since that works best with Zoom, Skype, and Google Meet. On the Google Translate page, you'll see two main boxes. On the left is the language you're translating from, and on the right is the language you're translating to. Click on the language labels and choose the languages you need. For example, set the left side to English and the right side to Spanish, or whatever combination fits your call. Next, arrange your screen so you can see both your video call and Google Translate at the same time. On Windows, you can drag your Zoom, Skype, or Meet window to one side of the screen until it snaps into place. Then choose your browser window for the other side. On a Mac, you can use split view or simply resize both windows manually. The goal is to avoid constantly switching back and forth. During the call, when you need to say something in another language, type your message into the box on the left in your own language. Google Translate will instantly show the translation on the right. You can read it aloud, or if you're using chat inside Zoom, Skype, or Google Meet, you can copy the translated text and paste it directly into the meeting chat so the other person can read it. If you prefer speaking instead of typing, you can click the little microphone icon in Google Translate, say your sentence, and let it convert your speech into translated text. This works best in a quiet environment and with a clear microphone. Speak slowly and clearly to improve accuracy. A few quick tips. Keep your sentences short and simple. Avoid slang or very casual expressions, and double-check names or numbers before sending. Remember that translation is not always perfect, so be patient, and, if something looks odd, try rephrasing your sentence. And that's how you can use Google Translate during a video call on Zoom, Skype, or Google Meet to make multilingual conversations smoother and more understandable for everyone.